sure. Got you.
Almost a fall here. This is where you stay right there. Yeah, this is where I always fall. Right there. My fucking hole right there. When we caught the 7-footer, I fucking fell straight in.
What do you want, this one?
That one in the middle.
Shit. What's up here?
Sure. Just like that.
Yeah, my freaking phone ran out of storage, babe. From all the videos from the other show.
He running.
Yeah, he's running.
You ready? We're gonna set it right now. I want to get him on the run.
Nope. Got him.
Oh, nice. Oh, yeah. Hell yeah.
Little one.
You see it?
No, he's a big one. He's on a snag.
Yeah, he got on the fucking thing.
Oh no.
Fuck, he did.
Damn, son, that's how he went around seeing that off.
Ah.
Yep. I saw that tree right there come up too. You're good. We'll get it. Just come back.
Well, that was not.
Probably should have set the hook a little earlier.
No, you're good.
Like he was like, anything yet? I was like, nothing yet. She's like, broke up after she went there. I was laughing. I was like, no, it's alright. I'll give you another one. Is the gas out?
Yes.
Where is it? Okay,
Yeah.
it's
Look at this guy here. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah, that's the best right there. 150 is sick. Come on,
Running now.
Still going.
Oh yeah.
fuck yeah.
I think you let it go.
No, he just start eating. Sometimes they stop and wait to eat, and then they'll go again. It's all usually the second run, but we try to get them on the first one so they don't get tangled up around
The bend.
Yeah, but sometimes we should let him run a good distance, but right now he'll get back on there. You know? There he goes.
Yep.
Fuck yeah. How much longer are you gonna wait? Yeah.
I'm popular right now in a bit.
You'll know because he'll run hard as fuck. Like, he'll just fucking boom and run.
Still thinking it?
Yep.
Alright, we're gonna pop it right now in a bit. So this little feeder, not close the bill. Not really into it. Okay, wait. No, wait for him to pull you now. When you start feeling the rod go down, when you start feeling that tension, pull back hard.
Almost like letting him pull your rod down just enough to stretch the fucking hook.
Come on.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Just keep fighting his ass.
Fish him.
Yeah, he's still on.
Yep.
Yeah, yeah, he's
Sure.
on.
Oh, you're on.
Hell yeah.
South Texas, brother.
Fuck yeah. Yeah, just wrestling him around that bend. Just enough to get him back around.
Put that head shake, right?
Yep.
Hell yeah. We're gonna change the spotlight.
Ah.
He's on there.
Something got on something.
Give him a chance. He'll get out of there, huh? Put the guard on your hand. No, I don't want you. That's a 5-footer, bro.
Ooh.
You want big with that rod out of the way. Before you break it. Hurry up before he comes. He's coming. Hurry up, babe.
You see the gas there?
You have the right. Right behind you. Right behind you. Fuck yeah. Oh shit, he went into that fucking
It's all good,
door,
it's all
dude.
good. It's all right now.
He'll come out in a minute. Hell yeah.
Don't force him. Just see what's happening. So good. Let's see it one more time.
You got him?
Here you go.
Yeah, he's coming right there.
Woo.
He's right here.
He's gonna run.
Yeah, let him get started. Nice. Sorry, if he feels good, let him see it.
Damn. It's that fucking branch.
Hold him right there.
Yeah, just hold him like you do. David, deep right there. Be careful.
Here's my phone. Before it gets wet.
No, hombre, ya toqué.
Oh,
Just drop it there. That's fine. Don't worry about that. Yeah, be careful because he's gonna go crazy. So. Watch your step right there.
Check on the top, then you can get me out.
Open the bell. I got you. Don't worry about that. Don't worry.
Let's go get him out.
I think it goes that deep. Look.
Whew.
Hey, she's a nice fat fucker. Hell yeah.
That's a 5-footer for sure.
Watch out with the heel.
5'5", brother.
Thank you.
Appreciate you coming, brother.
Thank you for the invite.
Fuck yeah.
Hell
Had a feeling moving was gonna do it.
Oh.
High five.
And I just
High five.
saw you. I saw you.
She's asleep right now. Right now she
Yeah.
gonna wake up.
Yeah, right now
She wakes
she's all
up, she gonna
dazed and
splat,
tired.
she gonna go left and right. She just don't know what happened yet.
Out of breath?
She's out of breath, yeah. Crazy,
Look,
brother.
the stick bug.